Hey everyone, this is Dan from BD. We have a history of creating high-quality diesel parts here. I'm announcing a new product, and I can honestly say this is the most exciting product we've launched. The engineers have spent countless hours really balancing and billeting while analyzing the most effective techniques for production. Engineering finally decided on a three-pronged approach to this amazing product that provides a natural enhancement to your driving experience. Without further ado, we introduce the three new scents of BD Diesel Air Fresheners. Nano-carbonized high-cetane diesel fuel. The exact same smell as pulling up to a truck stop and pumping 30 gallons into your truck. 100% transfused essential ATF oils. Transmission builders will truly tell you there is no better smell than Dextron in the morning. And finally, my personal favorite, Dark Carbon Diesel Black. These were infused by a 1200 horsepower Cummins. You can tell all your friends what 1200 horsepower smells like. Order now. Limited quantities are available. Go to www.dieselperformance.com and get yours today while supplies last.